Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because recently I've just restarted posting some content on my channel, and I went with the short videos format, which I never tried before, but I find it like really fitting that format of quick and short video because I can just upload it really fast and show stuff, maybe my 3D printed design and some electronic project in the future. I'll try to post like maybe once per day a short video. I think it would be nice. And since like the HollowKnight print and all the charms like really did their traction, and it was well received, I guess, because lots of you were commenting positively, and it's really nice to interact with everyone and see that you enjoy the project I 3D printed. And this is not like a crazy printer. It's the Monoprice Maker Select Plus, which is um, not an old printer, but it's not like one of the most recent. But it does the job. Like, it's amazing. And so I wanted to show you maybe more in depth, like the print that I did of the knight from HollowKnight. Here we have one part, which is the body. I did like the little tuck-in base silver with a silver acrylic paint. The body is just regular black. I think I need to add another layer of paint, and it's gonna be maybe smoother and better coloring. And this is the head. Like it just really went well, and I want to show you something like really interesting. At first I removed the fan, the cooling fan on the nozzle, because I wanted to have a better view of the calibration of my bed level, and I had to remove the fan, the cooling fan, and I didn't put it back, and I printed like pretty much a lot of stuff. And here is the result of the print. I don't know if you can see it well, but like there's a major difference between without and with the cooling fan. You can see like the horn are really messy, and the head here is like it's a mess. It's a mess, and it's perfectly like understandable, because if you compare these two, this one was printed in a resolution of 0.15 millimeter. This one 0.2 millimeter. I don't think that this difference is really big in terms of of feel and touch and finish, but that cooling fan is really doing its job, because when the nozzle goes up in the z-axis, well, each layer is cooled down really quickly with the fan, and it ensures that like every layer is solid. So when you're having a curve, it's adding a layer and curving, and if the filament is not, or the layer is not like cool enough, it will just stick and like curve and flip, and it's gonna end up in a mess. You can see like now. So basically that's about the head, and this is for the cape or the cloak. This one was painted. I added a little bit of gray to some purple, and it's a light purple, so the result is not as nice as I wanted. Maybe I'm gonna add another layer of darker purple, and inside for sure I don't want it to be white like that. I'm just going to put like a really dark purple inside. And this one was printed without the cooling fan. You can see there's some missing point here. Like it's pretty much a mess. It's not that much of a mess, but the head was a mess. Like the head was a mess. So basically it's a 4-part. The body, you slide the cloak on top of the little guy. And I really like the fact that it's modular, so I could just I could glue every part in place. Maybe once it's finished painting, I don't know if I'm gonna glue it in place, because you see like it's a little bit wobbly. It's wobbling, and for sure the sword, which is the nicest part, there's a little triangle indented in there, and here there's a little triangle, like a positive triangle, I don't know, and it's just gonna fit like the sword, the triangle in the triangle. So it's pretty nice because, well, it could be tighter, but with a little drop of glue, it's gonna be solid. So here's the knight from HollowKnight. Yeah, it's really nice. So I think I'm gonna finish this painting. You may have saw in my short video that I printed like a load of these charms, and I can't wait to paint them. It's gonna be like really nice to see. I started with a base color for the boulder shell, which is one of the, I don't know if you can see it well, but is the blue. So I'm gonna try to paint them all and like have a little coating or a varnish on top of them so they get really shiny like the charm in the game. And for sure I'm gonna try to print more stuff. I'm gonna print like the base for my PCB, the design that you can see in most of my other videos. Yeah, so it's been a while since I haven't posted a video or some like real content where I'm speaking in front of the camera. So yeah, that's cool. So let's try that. One short, let's say, per days. I'm gonna try to show you like something interesting every day, like not the same old content every day. So stay tuned for more video electronic project 3D print, because I just bought it like 2 weeks ago, and now I'm like printing every day. I can show you something else I printed. It's USB and SD card holder, pretty solid and useful. Okay, I'm not going to never end that video, because like I'm really excited. I could talk like 4 hours, but yeah, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content and my face. Yep, see you.
Son, how do you push stop on that?